Hello, this is a tutorial on how to use the 612 scouting site aimed at the first robotics competition program. So once you have your team on this site, which the URL is right here, you'll sign up your team, and once the team ID and password are selected, then subsequent login attempts use the login page. So we're just going to do that for now. And once you're logged in, you will be prompted with a welcome screen. And this welcome screen has options to enter pit data, stand data, and statistics data. So let's go ahead and click on pit data and enter some data about a team. Let's say team 78, which I do not know if it's a real team or not. And your data saves successfully, so you can go back to the home page. Let's try entering some stand data for the same team. For example, match 8, and you can type your name. If you entered data for a team previously, you can click load previous, which will enter all of that data for that team that you previously submitted and saved. Yeah, so your team position is basically relative to where you are in the field. 1 is closest to you, and 3 is the farthest away from you. So blue B is blue, so blue line's 1 closest to you, blue line's 3 farthest away from you, and similar things for red lines. So here there are different options for selecting what various features of the match. If the bot you are scouting left the zone, you can click this, and similar prompts for all of these features for various parts of the game, including auto and teleop. And then you can rate their driving skill at the end. And there's a notes section for any additional notes. So, yep. Your data saves successfully, and we can go back to the home page. Now let's pull up the stats data for the teams we have selected, and it's pulling up all the match data we selected, and after about 5 seconds your average match stats will load. Just give it a minute here. There we go, and we didn't enter the ranking points, so that didn't show up. So here is all of the data. Here is the 612 scouting site, and hope you'll use it for your competition. And thank you.